In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Ledger Live to bank account. Now, the first thing you want to do here inside Ledger Live, you want to click on over here where you can see it says Discover, and then when you click on the Discover tab, click on the categories and then look for Sell. Over here, as you can see, you have Sell, click on that, and then in here you have a bunch of different options. So you can, of course, choose any one of these. Not all of them are going to basically allow bank transfers, but one I do know will allow it for sure is this one called Transact. So you can just click on Transact, click on Continue over here, and then inside the next step, you can just click on Sell, and over here you can basically select the crypto you would like to go ahead and sell. So here you can select the crypto and then of course the amount, and after this, down here where you can see the withdrawal method, you can select either Visa or SEPA. So as you can see here, this is the manual bank transfer. Then you have to basically declare over here how much you will receive and in what currency, and after you actually do that, click on Sell Now. You'll go to the next step. You're going to have to confirm your account, basically put in your email and basically just confirm some info, and after that you'll be able to transfer your money and basically sell your crypto on your Ledger Live and get that money onto your bank account. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.